Yeah, hello. I had to buy a new fan. The other one was defected. It has some wrong with the engine, making not much noise. So we bought a new one. Climate, 132 centimeter. So we're gonna see how this looks like. Okay. What is this? I think this is some LED light. LED strip. Jajamän, jaha. Ah, this is not LED. There's a motor controller. There's the three big fans in plastic. Fantastic. Here's the remote. Oi, it's already assembled. Okay. Okay. What's this? This is the light assembly. Something separate. Ah, okay. This is probably what's going to go up in the ceiling. And this is the also shitty screws. You always get bad screws. I recommend not using these screws, but yeah. Gonna see if this fits. Yeah, I think it will fit. Can you guys say fit in plural? Yeah, I'm not gonna say it here. Welcome back. Nu ska vi se power tools. Let's see here. Let's move. Wait. I don't want to. Så. Helvete. Nej, det gick inte. Det här är helt körd. Helt körd. Det är dåliga grejer. Får vi ta tvångarna. Vi ser här ifrån. Yes! This is gonna take some time, so I'm going to speed up the camera for you guys. Bye bye. Okay, I've never used this type of here. They always drip. They always send bad screws. There you go. Just gonna go through here. Yes. 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 Connect. But we don't need. Yes, and this is how it's working. The light and dimmable. Then 3 speeds. We turn on the high first. And this is about 2000 Swedish crowns. Very quiet. Reasonable good quality. Blow on good air. Yeah, until next video. See you guys.